Introducing the Pour Pal. To use it, simply loosen the strap. Gonna place this lip underneath the lip on the bucket. Set it down. Take the top hook up over the bucket. Tighten that down. And now you have much easier pouring. When you're done, loosen it up. Wrapping it up this way doesn't work as well. Keep the logo towards you in your right hand like a steering wheel. Take it up to the 12 o'clock position. Take it down to the 6 o'clock position. Nest it right into the storage nesting. Tighten it down. Keeps the strap out of the way so you can still use it in that position.